Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to restore an iPad 9th generation that's unavailable. First you're going to want to get iTunes on your PC. Make sure it's the latest version. Next you're going to get an Apple original cable and connect it to your iPad. And when you do that, you're going to have to put your iPad in recovery mode. Put your iPad in recovery mode, you're going to want to press the home button and power button. Let go of the power button when you see the Apple logo. Keep holding the home button until you see the recovery mode screen. Okay, I got in recovery mode. You should see this screen on your iPad. You're going to want to click restore and then restore and update. Just click next and agree. And just make sure your laptop's power doesn't run out. Your iPad's already had charge and you have a good internet connection. Okay, now you should see this screen on your iPad and this. If it fails, you gotta research the error code. Okay, now we're done. It's fully activated. Mine just happened to be locked to the camera. Make sure you like, comment, and sub.